Hi there, Sophia here. Thank you for stopping by today. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, I'm so happy to see you again. Today's video is going to be all my current favorites, and I'm so excited to share them with you because I've got some really cool ones. The beginning of this video is sponsored by Optical, a company that I've worked with before. I absolutely love their eyeglasses. The ones they sent me this time are prescription readers, and they are high-end, high-quality glasses at a very affordable price. This is how they come packaged in this beautiful box. This is the holder for the glasses. It's slim, it's sleek, and these are my beautiful readers. They have blue light that protects my eyes from when I'm reading a long time on the computer, and also when I go outside, if I'm reading outside, it shades it a bit for me so that I can read without a glare. This is what they look like. I'm thrilled with them. They fit me perfectly. I like for it to sit right up on the bridge of my nose. I think these are fantastic. They're so on trend. All their glasses, including prescription, sunglasses, and readers, they are all $99. And they're shipped from Florida, so you get them quickly. They have a 30-day guarantee on them. If you're not happy with a pair or don't like the way they fit maybe, you can return them. It's a no-hassle return policy, which I really appreciate. And also the variety of styles. It was really hard to choose just one. You just select your frame, you choose your prescription, send them a photograph of your prescription, they get in touch with you right away, they take it from there. And very quickly you receive your glasses. They go right into production. When you purchase a pair of eyeglasses from them, they donate a pair to someone in need. And I think that's amazing because there's nothing like being able to see clearly and have that gift. I highly recommend that you go to their website, take a look at other models. If you decide to purchase a pair, use my link below because you'll get a free pair of premium cleaning wipes for your glasses. I think you'll really enjoy them. I absolutely love them. They're not heavy and they don't slip off my face and they look very stylish. The next thing I want to share with you is the most adorable thing I have gotten this month. These are socks by a company called Hello Mama. They have black, gray, navy, and red and pink. So cute, so utterly adorable. This is what the front looks like. This is the area for the heel. They come in many different patterns. These are just the chicken ones that I thought were so cute and so funny. But they have kitten ones, they have dog, little puppy dog ones, and they have different colors. Such a variety to choose from, and it's just so fun. I can't imagine anyone not loving to get this pair of socks. The next thing I want to show you is this hat. This hat exceeded my expectations. It comes in this plastic, which I'm saving for when I travel. I'll just put my hat in here, and it unzips all the way around, and then when you take it out, you see the quality of this hat. I left the tag on so you can see what it comes with. It comes with a string that you attach to the sides under here, so that you can tighten it if it's a windy day and you don't want your hat flying everywhere, you can wear the strings down under. It also has a ribbon inside that you can tighten. A little string there, right here, that you can pull to tighten it. This is what it looks like on. I absolutely love it. It's lightweight, it matches with so many things. I will love wearing this with an all black outfit, just the hat and a straw bag with some white and black in it. I think it'll be stunning together. Just wanted to share this in case you're looking for a hat. This one I highly recommend. I have some skincare products I wanted to tell you about. I had been seeing a lot of talk about Snail Mucin for the skin and how wonderful it is for retaining moisture in your skin. And also I felt that maybe it would be good with repairing the skin barrier because retin-A does dry out the skin sometimes as it's regenerating. So many times I'm looking for things that will hydrate my skin more, even in the summertime, because my skin is mostly dry now. It used to be a combination, but it's now dry as I get older. So I did buy it, and I absolutely love it. The problem is that I did break out with little hives on my face. Nowhere else. I put it on my neck, I put it on my chest. It behaved beautifully. But on my face, I noticed every morning I would have a few little scattered red hives. So I stopped using it there and have been only using it now on my chest, my neck, and my arm. It does suck in the moisture of the next product you put on. It's a very sticky finish, so it does take getting used to. This is what it looks like, and it has a bit of a sticky finish to it, but you rub it in, pat it in. And then once I feel that it's nice and tacky and ready to receive the cream, I go in with this cream. This is the next thing I wanted to recommend. This is fantastic. This is the Eucerin Advanced Repair Lotion for extra dry skin. It has ceramide 3, alpha hydroxy acids in it. It leaves your skin with the most beautiful sheen. It looks very hydrated. I love it for summertime. It feels extremely high-end, like something you've paid a ton of money for. It also has urea in it, which also softens the skin. I like this so much that when I saw this one listed on Amazon, I immediately bought it for my feet. This one is called Roughness Relief Spot Treatment. I use this on my feet at night. I put it on the heels of my feet. I put it anywhere that I might be forming a callus. Sometimes I just slather it all over. And it has urea in it. And many dermatologists will tell you that the best way to soften rough areas on your feet, your elbows, or anywhere you're suffering from rough skin, urea really does soften it. This has been a fantastic buy. The other thing I wanted to tell you about is when I did see those little spots come up, I immediately turned toward this cream, the Ultra Repair by First Aid. I've shown this before. I'm back to my current favorites with this because I just love this. This calmed my skin immediately. It has colloidal oatmeal in it, and it's very lightweight. It's absorbed right into the skin. Anyone I have told about this has absolutely loved it. It has intense hydration. It helps hydrate dry, parched skin and temporarily helps relieve minor irritation and itching due to eczema and other conditions like little hives. This one is great. I use this really only on my face and I love it. And as I said, it's lightweight. It's beautiful for summer and year-round. The next thing I want to tell you about is this hairspray. Unite Session Max Hairspray. It's extra strong. I wouldn't put this on the actual body of my hair because it can be a bit dry, but I take it and lift my roots and spray right into the roots, then kind of zhuzh it up, and it gives me tremendous volume just at the roots, and it holds. So this is a great one. I really recommend this one. I'm enjoying this very much, and it's such a big thing. It's going to last me forever because I only use it on the roots. And I wanted to tell you also about a cleansing oil that I have purchased because I finished my deep cleansing oil. So I found this one on Amazon, and I am loving it. It's Speedy Cleansing Oil from Korea. The trick to this is you have to clean your face dry. I use 1 full pump of this. I rub my hands together, then rub them all over my face with it. It takes off everything. All my eyeliner, my mascara, my eyebrow makeup, my bronzer, everything. When I wet my hands and emulsify it, and that's when it all starts just melting off. I rinse it off really well, and then I do a second cleanse with a very lightweight, gentle cleanser. And by then, my skin is so clean and hydrated. It does not dry out your skin at all. It is a beautiful product. I'm very happy with this. It has really high reviews on Amazon, and for a good reason, because it's a great product. Another skin product that I am loving and I feel is so high-end and so worth it. This is the Kiehl's Daily Reviving Concentrate. A revitalizing blend of ginger root, sunflower, and tamanu oils. It says it's for flaky, dry skin. What I do is when I work out in the afternoon, I'm on the treadmill for about an hour, I go and shower, and I take a hot shower so my skin is kind of flushed and the pores are open, and I immediately go in with this oil. I just blot my skin and I put this oil, and it is so refreshing and so nourishing to my skin. I love it. It leaves my skin radiant. So I highly recommend this. I just use like maybe 1 dropper full and put it all over my face, my neck, and my chest. This one I love. Other thing, which was a recent find and I'm in love with, oh my gosh, is this Pure Lease CC cream with vitamin C in it. It's called Youth Glow, and it has SPF of 50 in it. It's a mineral sunscreen, tinted. It evens your skin out so well, like a foundation, but makes your skin just look natural. Naturally glowing, naturally radiant, while it protects it, while it evens out. This is the consistency of it. Unfortunately, the one I purchased is a little bit light for me. This is light. The next one I'm going to buy is light medium. It's a little on the pricey side, but with the vitamin C included in it, and also with the sunscreen, it is truly beautiful. I don't need a foundation when I wear this. And it mattes down so it doesn't stay shiny on your skin. I'm just thrilled with this. The next product I want to tell you about, which I have already used up, so I can't show you the full container, but I'll insert a picture of it, is these press-on little eyelash clusters from the Kiss Impress line. They are fantastic. I just bought some replacements because I'm keeping this applicator so I can use it for these. I'm wearing them today just on the ends at the edges of my eyes because it opens up your eye. I never wear lashes all over my eyes. It really bothers me. But just popping these in right at the ends is so easy. I put on my makeup as usual. I pop them in. I only do it for when I'm filming or going out to a very special evening. This is not for a daily thing, but these work fantastic because I really hate working with eyelash glue. I feel like it sticks to my eyelashes. I end up pulling off my eyelashes. I have never worn false lashes because of that reason. I don't want to lose the natural lashes that I have, but I do love the lush look of fake lashes just at the edges of the eye. So this is a great buy. The other thing that I have been enjoying so thoroughly this summer because it makes getting ready so easy is this SEPHORA eyebrow gel. This is fantastic. It's a little brush. It's very much like the Benefit one. But what I like about this is it adds volume to my brows. It doesn't clump your brows together. It just kind of combs through them and keeps them in place and adds some beautiful color to them. And the other thing that makeup-wise that I am loving is this. This color combination has been perfect and I don't even need a lip liner for it. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Ink Crayon and the color is Enjoy the View. It comes naturally with a pointed tip to it. I just line my lips all around, then fill them up with this. This has incredible staying power. It is such a beautiful color. I'm wearing it today. It's kind of like a deep coral with a little bit of brown in it. It does not last the whole time, let's say, through a meal and coffee or tea or whatever. However, it does leave your lips lined. So you can just quickly reapply your lipstick and it looks fantastic. And over that, now this is more of a matte look, but it's kind of a nourishing matte look. It's not flat, it's not dry looking. So what I like to do is add this to it. This is one of my all-time favorites for the summer. I'm putting this on everything right now. This is the Tarte MARACUJA Juicy Lip Plumper. And in the color White Peach. And you're gonna see how gorgeous it is. You just tap it at the bottom and you put it over and you get the most succulent looking lips. It's just beautiful. It's a shiny finish. Actually, I'm going to put a little bit on so you can see how immediately it adds so much shine to your lips. It plumps them up. It has a little bit of a cooling sensation, but I don't mind it. Kind of a minty feel to it. This color especially, White Peach, is beautiful for summertime, actually for year-round. And especially if you have lips that you want to plump up just a little bit and have them look more youthful. And that wraps it up for my current favorites. Be sure to visit Optical, take a look at their frames, utilize my link so that you can get your free gift, and also check out those really cute finger socks. They are so adorable. I think you're going to love them. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.